All right, you know what time it is. Job review. All right, here we go. I got a good one. They actually call it an entry-level position. Every single one of my road to QAs could go after this. You got more experience than this. 60, 70K, North Carolina. It says remote. Instead, they call their role a QA assurance analyst entry level. Let me tell you guys, these are core software testing skills right here. You don't have to have a bachelor. You don't have to have a bachelor's degree, but you have to have equivalent experience, transferable skills, and then you just need to know the basics understanding of programming languages. Go get that and speak to that and apply. All right, job number 2, software quality analyst 2. Now this one, they do ask for a little bit more, but I still don't feel that you shouldn't apply. If you can meet 60 to 70% of this, all of you guys need to be applying, because I don't see anything taking you out of this job description here. The only thing I do see is it looks like they want you to have, if you don't have a bachelor's degree in computer science or related STEM degree, I would still apply. If your experience meet this, go for this job. Okay, do not take yourself out, because you meet everything else. And then 3 to 6 years of or relevant experience, there you go right there. And then it just says database experience is nice to have. All right, come on, you guys, let's go. It's money out here. All right, this one is a functional tester. It is remote. Now, it does say if you have any test lead experience. So if you have any lead or management, project management experience, you would be great for this position. I see no reason why we all can't go for this role. Let's go. It's money out here. If you have these are bonuses. Still apply to everything, even if you're not